The trend is your friend. You've heard this 1,000 times. Then you traded with the trend and still lost money. Why? Because nobody told you the full story. The trend is your friend only when you can tell which trend you're looking at today. How trends are actually born, why most traders trade the wrong one, and the re entry point, that's the real money zone in trend trading in India. Let me show you the confusion most traders face every day. Open the daily chart, it's an uptrend. Open the hourly, looks like a downtrend. Open the 15-minute sideways, you picked the wrong one. You went short on a daily uptrend because the hourly was red. Stop loss hit. You bought a minor bounce thinking it was a new trend, stopped out again. The problem isn't the market. The problem is you don't know how trends are born. So you can't tell major from minor, and that's costing you every single week. Here's the thing nobody teaches: trends don't start when you see them moving, they start when nothing seems to be happening. The congestion zone, that boring, sideways, going nowhere phase, that is where the big players are buying. Mutual funds, FIs, large operators, they can't just slam buy a stock. The order would spike the price. So they accumulate quietly, week after week, inside a tight range. When that range finally breaks, the trend is already born. You're just the last to see it. Pause this. Look at any major Indian stock that's up 50% in the last year. Scroll back to before the run. You'll see weeks, sometimes months, of boring sideways action. That's the birth chamber of every major trend. Nobody screenshots the boring part. They only show the breakout. That's why you keep missing it. Now, here's the framework that fixes everything. Every market has three trends running at the same time. The major trend, visible on the daily chart. This is the actual market direction, last weeks to months, driven by institutional accumulation. This is the only trend that pays swing traders. The minor trend, visible on the 1 hour or 4 hour, lasts a few days. This is where pullbacks and bounces happen inside the major. These minor trends are your re entry zones. If you trade with the major, trade against the major using a minor, you get destroyed. The noise, anything below 15 minutes, random. If you're scalping intraday, it's your tool. For everyone else, it's confusion. Rule 1: identify the major trend first, always. The major trend is the Mumbai-Pune Expressway. The minor trend is the service road. The noise is a back alley. If you're going from Mumbai to Pune, you don't take back alleys. This is the entire framework for trend trading in India that swing traders need. Get the major right, and the rest is just timing. Now, this is the part that changes your trading forever. You do not enter trends at the breakout. The breakout is where amateurs enter. They chase, get stopped on the pullback, and quit. Pros enter on the RE entry, the pullback inside the major trend. Here's the structure: major trend up, confirmed on the daily. Price runs for a few days, then it pulls back. The minor trend turns down. The pullback brings price to a key level, the 20 EMA, the prior breakout zone, or a 50% Fibonacci of the last leg. Price holds. A bullish reversal candle forms. That's your re entry. One more thing: every major trend gives you 3 to 5 re entry opportunities. If you miss the breakout, the trend isn't gone, it's just waiting for the next pullback. The market is not a train you missed, it's a train that keeps coming back to the station. Patience pays, stop chasing, start waiting. See the chart of a large cap stock. For weeks, the stock was stuck around 3,150 and 3,450. Boring, nothing happening. That was the accumulation phase. The big players were quietly building positions. Most retail traders ignored the stock completely. Then one Tuesday, wide bullish candle on heavy volume. The trend was born. Major trend now up on the daily. Over the next 2 months, the stock pulled back three times. Each time, price came to the rising 20 EMA. Each time, a bullish reversal candle. Each time, the major trend resumed. Trader A chased the breakout, got stopped on the first pullback, quit the stock. Trader B waited for the pullback to the EMA, entered with a 1 to 4 risk reward, took the secondary entry too, took the third. Same chart. Two completely different P and Ls. That's what knowing major versus minor trend does for you. Screenshot this, print it, stick it next to your screen. The velocity rule for trend trading. 5 non-negotiables that cover every trend you'll ever see. Apply all 5 and the difference between major and minor stops being confusing. The market starts making sense. The trend is your friend, but only when you know how it was born. Once you can spot the accumulation, name the major trend, and wait for the re entry, the market stops being random. If this video changed how you see your charts, hit subscribe. See you in the next one.